So you model the body and now you have to add hands, feet and a head to said body, which is the precise moment every Blender enthusiast loses the light in their eyes and then clicks on install. But fear not, it can be done. First you need to open up your Blender and yeet your cube, because if you don't, your normals will flip in your sleep. So we have a body, now let's make a hand. We start with the fingers because starting like this makes the process easier and also gives a natural flow to the topology. Then we connect the fingers like so. And continue extruding this way. Now we need to make the thumb, and to do that we extrude this polygon here, add the two joints, extrude again, oh, that is ugly as f. Now that we have a body and a hand, our first primal instinct is to bring these two close together and then Ctrl J, select the open loops, then Ctrl E to bridge edge loops. Look at those triangles. Gross. In order to connect these two together, we need to have the same number of vertices both here and here, so let's make some adjustments. This here is one of the most important rules of polymodeling and retopology, and it's a diagram showing how to reduce or increase the number of polygons while also keeping your quads. If I have a mesh like this with a bunch of quads and I want to reduce my number of quads, I can do it by cutting across one quad like so, merging these two vertices left and right to create this new quad here, and I just got rid of two vertices, and I can keep doing this until I am left with one quad. If I want to do this in reverse and add new geometry, I can add two new vertices here by cutting down and across, then connecting these diagonally. And I can keep doing that infinitely until I break the fabric of space-time. Grab your knife and let's start cutting. I'm going to choose this area of the hand here to get rid of some vertices, so I'm going to cut across, merge these, and now if I Ctrl J, my hand to my body, and then Ctrl E to bridge edge loops, well, would you look at that? We have quads, people. Enjoy those delicious quads. Until next time.